G'day guys, Greg here. Now, here I am at Three Black Bears Pizza. You might remember I went there and tried one of their pizzas. I thought it was really awesome. Anyway, they've got a limited time pizza out, a Cajun chicken tropical bland pizza. I'm gonna whip and try one, suss it out, see what it's like. So let's go get one. Alright, well I thought I'd come down the park to try this pizza today. Sitting in my car, of course. It's a little bit windy outside. But anyway, here's the pizza. It costs $13.90, unless it's Tuesday. And then it's only $9.90. Anyway, let's suss it out. Yum. Love pizza. Ooh. Oh boy. Da, 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 da. Gee, that looks alright. Oh, it's got pineapple. Yes! Oh, and olives. So the Cajun chicken tropical blend is tomato base, cheese, Cajun chicken, onions, capsicum, pineapple, olives, and topped with herbs. Oh, yes! Gee, I tell you what, it's looking pretty nice, isn't it? Now, I remember the first time I had this, I thought their crust was like one of the old school tasting crusts that Domino's and Pizza Hut used to taste like, and I just loved it. But I tell ya, this pizza's looking mighty fine. And it's a pretty big one too, not one of those scrounged little tiny things that wouldn't feed a maggot. Okay, well, how about we see if it's got any stretchy cheese on this? It's been about 5 minutes since I bought it, so let's hope so. Ooh, yeah. Yum, oh. Well, there does seem to be some ample toppings on there. I mean, there's plenty of olives and lots of pineapple, which I love. And, well, there's the Cajun chicken there, plenty of onions. How about we try off, see what this Cajun chicken tastes like. Slightly fatty. Very tender though. This definitely tastes like a nice roast piece of chicken. That tastes pretty good. Oh, hey, tell you what, I am fanging for this. I'll see if this piece has got some stretchy cheese. Still has. It's been quite a while since I bought it. Oh, you ripper. All right. Come at me, bro. Oh. Woo. Wow, I got this real taste of like Italian herbs on it or something. That must be the herbs they say it's topped with. And when they say it's topped with herbs, it is topped with herbs. It's almost too many herbs. But yeah, they do taste like the Italian herbs though, so it does match the pizza. But so far the flavour is pretty nice. It's got a quite a warming kick to it, just creeping in there now. But flavour-wise, it still it tastes pretty good. Let me keep going on this bad boy right here. Oh, pineapple. Oh, is that an anchovy? I don't think it was, but I tell you what, if this had anchovies on it, it would be so good. It could have been one of those olives, that nice salty flavour that's in there. It's got a really nice tomatoey sort of flavour about this pizza. The tomato and chicken go well together. It's got a little bit of a kick, and then all those Italian herbs sort of take over as well. There's just something a little bit funny tasting about this pizza though. I don't know if it's the Italian herbs on top, which I think it is. Maybe it's that pineapple, which I know it isn't. But yes, it definitely does have a nice little kick. An unusual sort of flavour. I don't usually get a chicken pizza. It's still nice. It's got a really nice Italian sort of flavour mixed in with a Cajun flavour. Now, I do remember last time I had this pizza, the crust was the thing that won me over. So let's see if it's still as good as I remember. Really good. Greasy, not too greasy. Oily, not too oily. Tasty, crunchy, but really great. The crust on the 3 Black Bears pizza is always, it's right up there with my favourites. This is a tasty pizza, that's for sure. But I wonder what score I'd give it out of 10. Well, value was $13.90, $9.90 on a cheap pickup Tuesday. I think it's pretty good. Flavour-wise, I thought it was pretty good. It's got a nice flavour about it. I really like the tomato-based sauce on it, and all the other ingredients seem to mix in well. But it was just one thing that I had a little bit of problem with, and that was the herbs that they put on top. You got these real Italian-tasting herbs with the Cajun flavouring of the other ingredients. Cajun being like Louisiana with a little bit of French influence in there. It sort of just maybe overpowered it a little bit. It was still a really tasty pizza though, and I did enjoy it, and I am going to sit and enjoy the rest of it. So for my all over flavour, all over value, all over taste, all over everything score for the Cajun Chicken Tropical Blend Pizza from 3 Black Bears, I think it deserves an 8 out of 10. I thought it was a pretty tasty pizza. It's just those herbs sort of threw me off a little. I reckon if they went a little bit lighter on them or didn't put them on at all, probably would have been heaps better. Maybe put some chili flakes on top instead. Oh yeah, now we're talking. But there you go, the Cajun Chicken Tropical Blend Pizza from 3 Black Bears here in Bris Vegas. Well worth a try if you're into pizzas and want to try something different. Whip on into 3 Black Bears. If you go to Tingalpa, mate, tell them Greg sent you. Oh boy! Not only will they know, but the care factor will still be 0, but at least they'll know. Anyway, I'm going to sit here and watch the birds fight. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I tuck into some pizza. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the